Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking onto this video, and if you're coming back to this channel, welcome back to this channel, you guys. As you guys have already read from the title, today's video I will be showing you guys how to make yourself designer sunglasses. Now these sunglasses are super easy and fun to make, and I will be showing you guys step by step on how I make these designer sunglasses. Before I get back to the video, I was actually online looking at the prices of these designer sunglasses, and honestly, these sunglasses look beautiful but also very different and unique, and I thought that instead of paying that price of those sunglasses, might as well make those at home. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I create these amazing looking DIY designer sunglasses just at home. So let's get back to the video and let me show you guys how I make these. Now to get started, to make this first pair of designer sunglasses, basically of course you're going to need is a pair of sunglasses, of course. And to make this DIY, I'm just going to be using some rhinestone lace. This is the lace that I'm going to be using, and I'm basically just cutting out the middle part because that's going to be the one that I'm going to be using to hot glue onto the sunglasses. And I'm just trying to see if it's the right length, and this is where I would be placing this piece of lace, and I'm just gonna hot glue it. And I'm just gonna be placing it there just like that. Same thing applies to the other side, just like that. And this is how both of the sides look like. And next, of course, I'm going to be using these rhinestone stickers, and I'm going to be placing them on to the sunglasses just like that. This is how it looks like, and of course same thing applies to the other side. Bam! And here is the finished look, you guys. Now to make this next pair of sunglasses, basically what I did was I had some leftover rhinestone lace, and I'm just going to be using those to just hot glue and just place them onto the sunglasses, and I'll show you guys how I do that. So I'm just going to hot glue this, and once I've hot glued it, I'm just going to place it onto the sunglasses just like that. I will be doing the same on the other side, just like that. And here is the finished look of the second DIY sunglasses. Last but not the least, to make this final pair of designer sunglasses, basically what I did was, again, I grabbed a bigger lens size of sunglasses, and I'm going to be using hair claw clips. Honestly, this is optional, you don't have to do that, but I just wanted to kind of be more creative with the sunglasses. So basically, I'm just going to be placing them on the top of the lens like that, doing the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to be using some of the rhinestone stickers, and I'm going to be placing them onto the sunglasses like that. Same thing applies to the other side, of course. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys next time. Take care guys, stay safe, bye!